7 ocean mysteries that shocked scientists. Fun facts for kids. Hey ocean explorers, welcome back to Fun Kids Learning. Today, we are diving deep to uncover 7 mysterious secrets of the ocean that even shocked scientists. 1. Giant squids with monster eyes. Did you know giant squids have eyes as big as basketballs? Scientists think they use them to spot huge predators like whales in the dark. 2. The glowing ocean. Sometimes the sea lights up at night. Tiny creatures called plankton glow when waves crash. It's like the ocean has fairy lights. 3. Whale songs. Humpback whales sing songs that can travel hundreds of miles underwater. Scientists aren't sure if it's for love, friendship, or navigation. 4. The Bermuda Triangle. Boats and planes have mysteriously disappeared in this ocean zone. Some think it's storms, some say magnets, and others aliens. 5. The blobfish mystery. Deep under the sea lives the blobfish, one of the world's strangest animals. Out of water, it looks squishy and silly, but in its deep sea home, it looks normal. 6. Sunken cities. Scientists have found ruins of ancient cities under the ocean like Atlantis. These may have sunk thousands of years ago. 7. Unexplored deep sea. Here is the biggest mystery. We've only explored less than 10% of the ocean. That means there are countless creatures and secrets still waiting to be discovered. Wow! The ocean is full of mysteries, from glowing waves to giant squids. Which mystery did you think was the coolest? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing ocean facts.